What's up, Bright Mind? I'm John Lloyd Balyo, introducing to you what is communication research. Communication research is a systematic investigation of communication phenomena, process, and effects. It aims to understand how people communicate and the impact different forms of communication. Communication can be improved. What is communication design? Communication design is a field that combines visual elements with messaging, convey investigation and ideas, and emotion effectively composes visual mediums such as a graphic design, typography, illustration and photography, and multimedia. What is communication discussion? A research discussion typically refers to the part of research project. Research project where the researcher analyze and interpret their findings. This involves examining the data collected in identifying patterns of the threat or the threat and discussion their implication.